So that's probably my biggest thing out of this mistake. The mistakes were made was like trust your gut. And honestly, it sounds really pessimistic and horrible at this stage in life, but don't trust anyone, even people who you've trusted for a really long time. And if they get offended that you want to put everything in black and white and everything is like finite to the nth degree, then chances are that they're trying to be cagey to start with. So look for red flags. Like look for simple red flags, and if those red flags give you like a little in the pit of your stomach, like make sure you like put your hand up and go, "Hey guys, I'm not happy with this direction that we're going right now." And there's been red flags. I look back and there's red flags here, red flags there, red flags everywhere through each one of those relationships. That I'm like, okay, well, I need to make sure that I like am very vocal about why I'm feeling this way.